Learning new words and building a vocabulary is such an imperative part of learning English language journey. Having said that, most of the learners they always get stuck, they always be confused. What is the right way to learn a word and how to write it on a notebook so that we can revise it easily? And what is that particular way which is really very pragmatic and holistic which can help us to be accustomed to use a new word or new vocabulary. So in this very video I'm just going to discuss about all those things. So if you are the one who have been looking for this type of video for a very long time, then without any doubt you just try to make sure to watch this video till the very end so that you can get something new and different. And I am going to show you my personal notebook, how I try to write vocabulary, the way I try to write and revise. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing so great. And I Yashoda welcome you all over my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about something really very important, that is vocabulary. Yes, friends, there is no doubt building vocabulary is such a crucial aspect of learning English language. And the way we choose to learn a vocabulary, it should be pragmatic and authentic. Then only we can use the words and we can get accustomed to any particular word very easily. Otherwise, it always becomes difficult for us to learn words and to use those words. So first of all, let me just tell you, earlier the way I used to learn a vocabulary, it was not so good and it didn't help me for a very long time. Up until I got this realization, the way I am choosing to learn a vocabulary is totally wrong. I always suffered a lot. But ever since I got to know a right way, I have started following that step and I have started jotting down each and every word which is really important for me, which I mostly use while speaking. So in today's video, I will definitely share with you the particular way I write the words and how I try to jot down everything. And but before that, one thing that I want to share with you, that most of us we always feel like that in a day we have to learn 10 words, 15 words, and then what we do, we just try to come up whenever we come across a new word, like while watching a video, while listening to a podcast, or while reading a book. At that very moment we just try to write it down on a notebook, and then we find out its meaning, and then we write some sentence. That's it. After that we never try to revise, we never try to make another examples other examples using that particular word. In this way, within 2 or 3 days, uh, we never remind that word just because of we don't revise it. So there is a particular holistic approach which can help you to learn a vocabulary. Suppose there is a word happy. Mostly we know that what is that word. First of all, we just need to know the part of speech. What is that word? Is it an adjective or adverb or verb? What is that? So obviously, happy is an adjective. And then go for the different meanings of that word, like delighted, elated, glad. And after that, go for the Hindi meaning, like khush hona. Okay. And then you can go for the synonyms, and synonyms are same the meaning. Okay, you can use it, glad, delighted. Okay, and all these types of words. Then antonyms: sad, gloomy, heartbroken. So all these words are antonyms. Then you can make one or two sentences, and then after that you can, if you want, then you can also go for the word family, like happiness, happily. Okay, so from one word you can learn so many words. And in a day, don't try to accumulate 10 or 15 words. Hardly you just try to learn or write only 2 words so that you can easily use it. The purpose of a the purpose of learning vocabulary is not only to accumulating words, like you have to just fill your notebooks and you can't use even a single one. So it's better to learn one word a day, only one word a day, and use it several times so that your mouth, your mind, your brain will become accustomed to it. Suppose there is a word reminisce. Reminisce means to think about your older days. Okay, to think about your older days, and then we can go for the meaning in Hindi meaning. Okay, पुरानी बातों को याद करना, like nostalgia. Okay, then try to make examples. Okay, I always love reminiscing about my childhood days. So I try to relate that word with my personal life. Now I can use that life several times, as many times as I want. And in this way, I will be able to make this word part of my speech. And I can really use it. I can easily use it. But when we try to learn 10 or 15 words, then it becomes really arduous for us to use each and every word. And therefore, we always become overwhelmed at the end of the day. So, if you don't want to go through this process, if you don't want to go through this monotonous process, then try to make your learning interesting and not like a burden for you. We are not running a race here. If somebody is able to learn 10 words, then let him learn because he must be intelligent. Because of that, he is learning. But I am not learning 10 words or even 5 words. It's not my cup of tea. But I am not throwing in the towel. However, as per my capacity, I just try to learn. If I can learn one, then it's okay. But my purpose is being fulfilled. So why can't I learn one? When I will learn one day, so in this way, within 30 days, I will be learning 30 words and I will be able to use 30 new words. And in a year, 365 new words. Isn't it amazing? Then why are you making your journey very difficult for you? Okay, let me show you how I try to write down a vocabulary. So this is my notebook. Here I have written vocabularies. Okay, vocabulary, lots of vocabulary. And this is my second notebook. And you can see here I have written word. First you have to write. First you have to uh, like आपको इसके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कर लेने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then in first row you will on the top of the line on the first line you have to write word then part of speech उसका क्या है then English meaning then Hindi meaning then synonyms antonyms then examples okay and then word family. Suppose there is a word reminisce means it's a verb to remember fondly memories पुरानी बातों को याद करना recall recollect remember forget okay overlook. They sat by the fire reminiscing about old times. The photo made her reminisce about her childhood. Related words okay I have written. Then there is a word assertive foster endorse. So in this way you have to write down the words. एक वोकैबलरी को याद करने के बाद में ये नहीं कि आपको बस वोकैबलरी याद कर ली और आपने उसके मीनिंग को समझ लिया और उसके बाद में आपने 2-3 सेंटेंसेस बनाए उसके बाद आप कुछ कर ही नहीं हो. बट कुछ वोकैबलरी जैसे आपने 4 दिनों में 4 वर्ड्स याद किए तो अभी आपका ड्यूटी क्या बनता है कि आपको हर दिन आप यू विल हैव टू गो थ्रू सेम नोटबुक. यू हैव टू रिवाइज सो दैट यू कैन ईजिली यूज़ ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. And within a week you will be able to learn 7 words, and then you should try to use each and every word while speaking. You can spin a story, you can relate that word with your own life. Okay, here's a ponder, amiable, crumble, muster. Okay, muster means to gather courage, people, things. Okay, like I mustered my courage to speak English fluently before speakers. So here I have used. So now I can use this word. When we try to relate a word with a personal life, then it becomes really very easy for us to use it. And I think now from today onwards, you will try to write a word and then you will search more about that word. Then only you will go for that word. And yeah, one more thing that I want to tell you. If you find any word and there is no use of that word in your life, then don't go for that word. Don't try to spend lots of time to learn that vocabulary. If you can never ever use. But if you want, then try to create situations. Like you don't have to create situations, you have to just be more creative, then you will be able to use that particular word. But the thing which matters, don't try to learn lots of vocabularies that you can hardly use, and it will get stored in your passive brain. There are lots of vocabularies are already stored in our passive brain. But now we have to make those passive vocabularies into active vocabularies so that we can use each and every word. You will have to engage yourself with this process. Then you can find something productive in yourself. So if your approach will be pragmatic, means realistic and holistic, then of course no one can stop you. Nobody can stop you from achieving the advanced level, and because of which I'm also here. And I always though I'm not a kind of a sagacious person, but I always try to give my best to help my viewers, because all of us, we are on the same boat. So we are here just to motivate each other, just to be the source of inspiration for each other. And I also get inspired by you, by your comments, by your inspiring comments. So why not? It becomes my responsibility and my priority to give something you, to impart my knowledge, whatever I have regarding anything. So this is what I wanted to tell you. From today onwards, try to learn one word each and every single day, and try to be a good speaker instead of running behind so many words. Don't try to be the part of a rat race. Okay, we have to live our life, we have to fulfill each and every responsibility, we have to do several things, but along with that we have to be passionate, we have to learn new things and new skills. And now I want to say bye bye, because I think you must have got my idea, whatever I wanted to tell you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.